Welcome to the module on ONDRI Standards App Installation, a guide to successfully install the ONDRI Standards application. This is Module 2A of the ONDRI NIBS training series. The learning objectives of this module are to set up RStudio to install the app, to familiarize ourselves with GitHub, and to run the app. The purpose of the Standards app is to ensure consistency across all platforms, cohorts, and time points, as well as provide tools to help platforms maintain adherence to standards. When do we use the Standards app? The Standards check occurs once an assessment platform uploads a data package onto LabKey. The data package is downloaded by curator onto their local device, and the standards checking tool is used to detect any deviations. This is an iterative process until all the data standards are met, after which data preparation occurs. This is followed by the outlier detection process, after which the data package is ready for release. Details about these processes will be explained in future modules. The first step is to ensure that you have all the tools. R and RStudio need to be installed. When prompted with installation options for R and RStudio, you can leave it as the default and original configuration that is provided. GitHub is a platform for building, maintaining, and sharing software. To access the ONDRI-specific GitHub page, please look up the ONDRI NIBS page or follow this link. This page is a home for software, resources, data, and documentation from ONDRI's Neuroinformatics and Biostatistics team. This is the ONDRI Neuroinformatics and Biostatistics page on GitHub. And this is the app that we are currently interested in, the Standards app. Now we will go through the process of downloading and installing the Shiny app directly with the following line of code. Open up your RStudio and go to File, New File, and RScript. This will open a new RScript in your window. Type in the following command. Select the entire command and click Run, which will be in the top right corner. You might be required to install missing packages or dependencies. Type in the following line of code to install any missing packages required for the app to run. If you get the following message about updating packages in your console, please choose None by typing 3. You are finally ready to open the Shiny app. Once the installation is complete in the console, type in the following line of code to run the app. Once you run the line of code mentioned previously, this window will open up. This is the ONDRI Standards application, and you have successfully installed it. Congratulations!